If you're over 60 and doing everything right, eating eggs, adding protein, but still losing muscle, this may surprise you. The truth is, as we age, the body stops responding to protein the same way it used to. Some of the most common sources simply don't trigger muscle growth anymore. But there is one protein that works differently. It's easier to absorb, stimulates muscle growth more effectively, and supports recovery after 60. Stay with us because this one change could make the difference between losing strength and rebuilding. Muscle loss does not happen overnight. It happens quietly, year by year, often without obvious warning. Many seniors first notice it when everyday tasks start to feel harder. Standing up from a chair takes more effort. Carrying groceries feels heavier than it used to. Balance feels less steady, even without pain. These changes are not simply the result of aging. They are signs of a biological process called age-related muscle loss. After the age of 60, the body begins to lose muscle tissue faster than it can replace it. This process is known as sarcopenia. It is driven by several changes happening at the same time. Muscle cells become less sensitive to protein signals. Hormones that once supported muscle repair, like growth hormone and testosterone, decline. Blood flow to muscle tissue becomes less efficient. Together, these changes reduce the body's ability to build and maintain strength, even when a person is eating what seems like enough protein. One of the biggest misunderstandings is believing that muscle loss is unavoidable. In reality, muscle can still be built later in life. The challenge is that the rules change. The body no longer responds the same way it did at 30 or 40. This is called anabolic resistance. It means that muscles require a stronger and more precise signal to grow. Simply eating more of the same foods is often not enough. This is why many seniors feel frustrated when they try to follow advice that once worked. They eat eggs, chicken, or fish, yet strength continues to decline. The problem is not effort or discipline. The problem is that aging muscles need higher quality protein signals that are easier to absorb and more effective at activating muscle repair pathways. Muscle is more than appearance or strength. It plays a critical role in blood sugar control, joint protection, posture, and balance. Loss of muscle increases the risk of falls, fractures, fatigue, and loss of independence. It also places more strain on the heart and metabolism, making other health issues harder to manage. Understanding why muscle loss accelerates after 60 is the first step toward reversing it. When the body's changing biology is respected and supported correctly, muscle can respond again, strength can return, stability can improve, and daily life can feel more capable and confident, even later in life. Many seniors rely on familiar protein sources because they have always been considered healthy and complete. Eggs, chicken, fish, and dairy are often recommended because they contain all essential amino acids. On paper, this advice still looks correct. In real life, however, aging digestion and muscle biology change how these proteins are used by the body. As we get older, stomach acid production often declines. This matters because protein must be broken down efficiently before amino acids can enter the bloodstream. When digestion slows, fewer amino acids arrive in muscle tissue at the right time and in the right concentration. Even if a meal contains enough protein, the signal reaching the muscle may be too weak to trigger growth or repair. Another issue is absorption speed. Many traditional proteins digest slowly. For younger adults, that gradual release works well. For older adults with anabolic resistance, slow digestion can blunt the muscle-building response. Muscles respond best when they receive a clear and strong surge of specific amino acids, especially leucine. Eggs contain leucine, but often not enough in a single serving to overcome this resistance without eating more than is comfortable or practical. There is also the issue of appetite. Many seniors naturally eat smaller meals. Relying on foods like eggs means larger portions are needed to reach the threshold that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This can lead to feeling overly full, digestive discomfort, or skipped meals later in the day. Over time, total protein intake quietly drops below what the body truly needs. Inflammation also plays a role. Chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common with age. This inflammation interferes with how muscles respond to nutrients. Even high-quality foods may fail to deliver the same benefit they once did. The result is a frustrating gap between what is eaten and what the muscles actually use. This is why many seniors feel like protein has stopped working. It is not that eggs or other traditional proteins are bad. It is that aging muscles need a more efficient delivery system. They need protein sources that digest easily, absorb quickly, and deliver a strong anabolic signal without requiring large portions. Recognizing this gap explains why simply adding more eggs to the plate rarely solves the problem. Muscle growth after 60 requires smarter protein choices that work with the body's new biology rather than against it. For seniors facing anabolic resistance, the most effective protein is one that delivers a strong, fast, and precise signal to muscle tissue. This is where whey protein stands apart. Compared to eggs and most whole food proteins, whey is absorbed more quickly and contains a higher concentration of leucine, the amino acid that directly switches on muscle building. Leucine acts like an ignition key for muscle repair. When enough leucine reaches muscle cells at once, it activates a pathway called muscle protein synthesis. In younger adults, smaller amounts can trigger this response. In older adults, the threshold is higher. Whey protein naturally contains more leucine per serving than eggs, meat, or plant proteins, making it far more effective at overcoming age-related resistance. Another advantage of whey protein is how easy it is to digest. It requires less stomach acid and breaks down rapidly into usable amino acids. This matters for seniors who experience bloating, fullness, or slow digestion from heavier meals. Whey delivers a concentrated dose of muscle-building nutrients without overloading the digestive system. Whey also reaches the bloodstream faster than eggs. Speed matters because muscles respond best to a sharp rise in amino acids rather than a slow trickle. This quick delivery creates a clearer anabolic signal, telling the body that it is time to repair and build muscle tissue. Eggs digest more slowly and often fail to create that strong signal unless consumed in large quantities. Research consistently shows that older adults who consume whey protein experience greater gains in muscle strength and lean mass compared to those using other protein sources. This does not mean eggs lose their value. Eggs still provide nutrients and healthy fats. But when the goal is rebuilding muscle efficiently, whey provides a biological advantage that eggs cannot match. Whey protein also supports recovery. Faster amino acid delivery helps muscles repair sooner after activity, reducing soreness and fatigue. This allows seniors to stay more active and consistent with movement, which further supports muscle maintenance and balance. The key difference is efficiency. Whey gives aging muscles exactly what they need when they need it in a form they can easily use. For seniors looking to rebuild strength without eating larger meals or stressing digestion, this protein activates muscle growth more reliably than eggs ever could. When muscle strength improves, the benefits extend far beyond appearance or lifting ability. For seniors, stronger muscles translate directly into safer movement, better balance, and greater independence. The protein choice that supports muscle repair also influences how the body recovers, stabilizes joints, and protects against injury. As muscles rebuild more effectively, they begin to support the joints that rely on them. Stronger thigh and hip muscles reduce stress on the knees. Improved core strength stabilizes the spine and lowers the risk of back pain. This support system makes everyday movements feel smoother and more controlled, especially when standing, walking, or climbing stairs. Recovery is another critical factor. Aging muscles take longer to heal after activity. When recovery is slow, fatigue accumulates and motivation drops. Efficient protein intake helps shorten this recovery window. By delivering amino acids quickly, muscles receive the raw materials they need to repair small tissue damage caused by movement. This reduces lingering soreness and makes it easier to stay active day after day. Balance is closely tied to muscle strength and reaction time. Weak muscles respond slowly, increasing the risk of falls. When muscle fibers are properly nourished, they contract more efficiently and respond faster to changes in position. This improved neuromuscular response can mean the difference between catching yourself and falling. Energy levels also improve as muscle health improves. Muscle tissue plays a major role in regulating blood sugar. When muscle mass declines, glucose control becomes less stable, leading to energy crashes and fatigue. Rebuilding muscle helps muscles absorb glucose more effectively, supporting steady energy throughout the day. There is also a psychological benefit. Regaining strength restores confidence. Seniors who feel physically capable are more likely to move freely, socialize, and engage in activities they enjoy. This positive cycle supports both mental and physical health. Importantly, these benefits do not require intense workouts. Even light resistance exercises, walking, or daily functional movements can stimulate muscle repair when paired with the right protein support. The goal is not strain, but consistency. By improving muscle repair, strength, and balance together, the right protein choice becomes a foundation for safer movement and better quality of life. For seniors, this is not about building muscle for its own sake. It is about preserving independence, confidence, and the ability to live actively without fear of injury. Knowing which protein works best is only part of the solution. To get real results, seniors need to understand how much protein the body can use and when it is most effective. Timing and dosage matter more with age because muscles no longer respond to small or scattered amounts throughout the day. Research shows that aging muscles require a higher protein threshold per meal to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. This means that spreading very small amounts of protein across many meals often fails to activate muscle repair. Instead, muscles respond best when they receive a clear and adequate dose at once. For most seniors, this means aiming for a protein serving that provides enough key amino acids to trigger growth, rather than relying on minimal portions. The most effective time to consume protein is close to physical activity. This does not require intense exercise. Simple movements like walking, light resistance training, or balance exercises are enough to make muscles more receptive. Consuming protein within a short window after movement helps direct amino acids into muscle tissue rather than being used elsewhere. Morning protein intake is especially important. Many seniors eat little protein at breakfast, which leaves muscles undernourished for hours. Starting the day with a sufficient protein dose helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports better energy levels throughout the morning. It also improves muscle response to any activity performed later in the day. Digestive comfort must also be considered. Consuming too much protein at once can feel uncomfortable if digestion is slow. This is why choosing an easily absorbed protein source matters. A moderate portion that digests quickly is often more effective than a large, heavy meal. Hydration also plays a role. Amino acids are transported through the bloodstream and dehydration reduces this efficiency. Drinking enough fluids alongside protein helps improve absorption and muscle delivery. It is also important to pair protein with consistency rather than intensity. One high-protein meal will not rebuild muscle on its own. Regular intake aligned with daily movement sends repeated signals to maintain and repair muscle tissue. Over time, these small signals add up to measurable strength gains. When seniors understand how much protein they need and when to take it, muscle growth becomes more predictable. The body is no longer guessing. It receives clear instructions and the resources it needs to respond. This approach supports strength, recovery, and confidence without overwhelming the system. Building muscle after 60 does not require complicated routines or extreme effort. What matters most is consistency and simplicity. When protein intake and movement work together, the body responds more reliably. A daily muscle support routine should feel manageable, repeatable, and supportive rather than exhausting. Start by anchoring protein intake to the same times each day. This helps the body anticipate and use nutrients more efficiently. A protein-focused breakfast sets the tone by reducing overnight muscle breakdown and supporting steady energy. A second protein serving later in the day, ideally after some form of movement, reinforces muscle repair. This could follow a walk, light resistance exercise, or simple balance work at home. Movement does not need to be intense. Chair stands, wall push-ups, gentle resistance bands, or slow controlled squats using support are enough to stimulate muscle fibers. The goal is to activate muscles, not to fatigue them. Even 10 to 15 minutes of intentional movement can create a powerful signal when paired with proper protein support. Rest and sleep are equally important. Muscle repair happens during recovery, not during exercise itself. Poor sleep interferes with hormone balance and slows tissue repair. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and allowing the body time to rest between activity days supports long-term progress. Listening to the body matters. Muscle building should not come with sharp pain or joint strain. Mild soreness that fades within a day is normal. Persistent pain is not. Adjusting movement intensity and protein timing helps prevent setbacks. Over time, this simple routine builds momentum. Strength improves gradually. Balance becomes steadier. Daily tasks feel easier. These changes reinforce confidence and encourage continued activity. The goal is not rapid transformation, but sustainable improvement. As we wrap up, remember that muscle loss is not a personal failure and it is not an unavoidable part of aging. It is a biological process that can be influenced. When seniors use protein sources that work with their changing physiology and pair them with gentle, consistent movement, the body responds. If you found this helpful, take a moment to support this channel by liking the video and subscribing for more science-based health guidance. Share this with someone who wants to stay strong, stable, and independent as they age. Small changes done consistently can protect strength and quality of life for years to come.